Hello, I'm in a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrost controls. So while the vehicle's on, this would control your front, and then this would activate your rear, and then you just push them again to turn it off. For this front specific, this one's controlled by your fan options. So you can see up here, it's just blowing a fan up here along these vents that blow into the glass. And you can also switch the mode here, so you can have it like blowing on the front as well as on your feet, for example, so you can warm your feet in the glass. But you want to make sure this is highlighted to have it on. And from here, once it's on, you can change the speed with this fan controls. You can change the temperatures. As you see, it's changing up here. And even if you have it blowing really hot, you still might want the AC activated for the front, so it'll suck moisture out of the air so it doesn't sort of fog up your glass. And then for your rear, and that's what turns your AC on and off for awareness. So this AC could be on even though you got the temperature at 90. And then the rear, when this is activated, if you can see it in the camera, there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So when that rear is activated, it'll start melting any ice or anything like that that's on the glass. And to turn that one off, you just click that button again. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.